Complete these 5 steps before proceeding to teleconsultation. First, add your registration number and signature. Click on menu. Click on profile settings. Click on edit signature button. Click and enter your registration number. Now there are two ways to upload your signature, through camera and through digital signature. Through camera, take a white sheet of paper, put your signature on it. Now select camera, choose your option as camera. Take a picture. Click on use photo. Your signature will be uploaded here. Now through digital signature, click on digital signature button. Put your signature through your finger. Click on the done button, which is at the right top corner of the screen. Your signature is uploaded. Click on submit button. Now I have successfully updated your signature and your registration number. Click on OK. And it's done. Now the second step is to add your bank details for teleconsultation profile. Click on teleconsultation. Click on add view bank account button. Fill your bank details and it is completely safe with Medico. Name as per your bank. Your account number. Confirm your account number. Your IFSC code. Now your bank name and your branch name will come automatically. Click on the add account button. Now you have successfully added your bank details. Click on OK. Now your third step is add appointment slots. To add appointment slots, you need to click on the edit button, which is at the right top corner of the screen. Click on edit. Click on view schedule. Now this is service timings. Click on Monday. Click on morning. Click on from time. Select times. Click on to time. Click on afternoon. Now click on Tuesday. Select morning, from, evening. Now same goes for every day: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now suppose you don't want any appointment for Sunday, then click on Sunday. Delete day. Click on delete day. Yes. Now there will be no appointment slots for Sunday. Chat validity. Chat validity, chat duration in hours. Now click and enter 1 hours up to 24 hours you can do. Chat validity means accepted appointment window will be open for that much hours. Now the fifth step is appointment duration in minutes. Now if I am selecting 15, then there will be a 15-minute difference in each appointment slot. Click on update schedule button. Click on yes. Your schedule is added. Click on the done button, which is at the right top corner of the screen. Your service detail is updated successfully. Click on OK. Now to go online for your teleconsultation, you need to click on the online status button. Click on it. Now when you go online, you will get new cases. Click on go online button. Now you will be available for teleconsultation. Now to go offline anytime, you need to click on the same button. It will say if you go online, go offline, you will not get any new cases. Click on go offline. Now to go back to your home screen, click on the back button. Now click on home. Now this is your home screen. To accept teleconsultation cases, go to home screen, click on teleconsultation. This is your teleconsultation active screen. These are your cases. If you want to decline any case, click on the decline button and the case will be declined and the amount will be refunded back to the patient. Now to accept any case, click on the accept button and kindly wait till it's connect. Now this is your chat room with the patient. To get all your patient information, click on the I button which is at the top right corner. Click on the I. Now this is your patient details, his name, weight, height, symptom, body part, everything, and the amount he paid for your consultation. Now to give prescription to your patient, you need to click on the icon which is at the bottom left corner. Click on that icon. Click on prescription. Accept the agreement. Now select anyone. You can write your prescription or you can upload the prescription also. To upload, click on upload and take a picture. Use photo and upload it. Now, if you want to write prescription, then click on the write prescription. Select medicine. Search medicine which you want to add. Add days, dosage, instruction and click on add. Now if you want to add any comments, then add. Any diagnosis you want to prefer, add. Now click on the upload prescription button. You can add as many medicine you want to add on the prescription. Now prescription is generated. Email will be sent to the patient. Click on the OK button. Now you can see on your chat room this PDF is created, that is your prescription. Now this is your prescription PDF.